42. How does the similar construction of the sentence in line 1 and the sentence in line 8 contribute to the meaning of the poem? Okay, let's go up and look at those lines. So we want to know about the similar construction. Line 1 is the first line of stanza 1. What I am is built, concrete, and steel. Line 8. What I am is motion. I am water. I am older than anything else you know. Okay, so the structure of the sentence is essentially the same. What I am is blank. What I am is blank. One is built. The other is motion. It's water. Okay, so let's see if we can pick up on those ideas in the answer choices. E. It introduces the intended permanence of the structure and the ever-changing fluidity of the water. That looks pretty good. The intended permanence, I'm built, concrete, steel, okay? Ever-changing fluidity, I am water, I am motion. Okay, let's just check the other answers. It shows that the structure can bridge the gap caused by the water. No, that is not what those two lines indicate. That's not part of the meaning. Maybe the bridge does, but that's not part of those lines, so F is incorrect. G. It suggests that the structure has more limitations than the water. There is no comparison. There is a parallel structure of the sentences from one stanza to the other between the structure and the water, but there is no comparison between them in those lines. So that's just not correct. G is incorrect. H. It contrasts the stability of the structure with the instability of the water. Okay, this might be appealing. If you're built, you're concrete and steel, you're stable. If you're water, you're motion, you're unstable. So many students might choose H. So how do we differentiate? If E and H are both possibilities, well, we're going to differentiate by looking at specifics of each of the answers. One indicates structure and changing fluidity. The other indicates stability versus instability. I get the idea that I'm built represents stability. Possibly. I mean, I think the permanence is probably better. And the water, it's fluid, it's motion. Fluidity is a better synonym for motion, which is the actual text. Instability isn't. There's really no suggestion of instability. The other key difference here is E says it introduces. These are the first lines of text for each stanza. They are introducing the bridge and the water. H, contrasting. There is a contrast between the bridge and the water later, but not in these lines. So I don't think contrasting is the right relationship here between these two lines. Introducing is what the lines are doing. So E is the better answer than H. E is correct for 42.